GTAKE, Jiangsu GTAKE Electric Company Limited, committed to industrial automation and energy power since its foundation in 2009, is engaged in the R&D, production, sales and service of frequency inverter, servo motor drive, solar pump inverter, electric vehicle motor controller, battery simulator, test rig system, 4-quadrant drive system, and other customized products and solutions. GTAKE has established more than 20 domestic offices and one joint venture in India. Its products are highly popular in such countries and regions as Germany, India, Vietnam, Denmark, Bangladesh, Sweden, Greece, Middle East, Africa, North America, Russia Federation, and South America. GTAKE covers an area of 8,000 square meters. The total number of employees is 365, among which up to 131 are R&D engineers. GTAKE owns 8 production lines equipped with modern manufacturing execution system and introduces various testing equipment, including auto test system, EMC facilities, temperature and humidity chamber, salt spray tester, and so forth. GTAKE has been awarded as the National High-Tech Enterprise, passed CE certificate, and ISO 9001-2015 quality management system. It has established strong R&D ties with reputable universities and academic institutions worldwide. GTAKE worldwide branches and distributors are providing customers with optimized solutions, high-quality products, professional technical trainings, and instant global services.